Have you ever wondered how pasta is made? Well, today we go behind the scenes of a traditional pasta factory in Italy to find out. It all starts with flour and water. In this case, 180 kilograms of the finest Italian flour is used, which is carefully sifted to remove any lumps. This ensures that the dough will be smooth and elastic. The flour is then transferred to a large mixer, where it's combined with water and salt. The amount of water used depends on the type of pasta being made. For example, fresh pasta requires more water than dried pasta. The dough is mixed until it forms a ball, and then it's covered and let to rest. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to work with. After resting, the dough is divided into smaller pieces, which are then rolled out using a special machine called a pasta press. The dough is pressed between two rollers, and the machine has a variety of settings to adjust the thickness of the pasta. The dough is passed through the machine several times, each time being thinner than the last. Once the desired thickness is achieved, the dough is cut into the appropriate shapes using a cutter. For example, spaghetti is formed by cutting long strands of dough, while the cutter for tagliatelle produces long ribbons. The cut pasta is then dusted with flour to prevent it from sticking together. For fresh pasta, the process is complete. However, for dried pasta, there are some additional steps involved. The pasta is first dried in an oven, which removes moisture and makes it easier to store. After drying, the pasta may be colored or the sauce may be added. The dried pasta is then packaged and ready for sale. But what happens to the leftover bits of pasta dough that are too small to be used for fresh pasta or dried pasta? Well, they're not wasted. They're used to make pasta granules. First, the dough is chopped up into very small pieces and then dried. The dried pieces are ground into a powder and sifted to get rid of any lumps. The resulting powder is known as pasta granules. It can be used as a thickener for sauces or soups, or as an ingredient in other pasta dishes. It has a smooth and creamy texture and a rich, satisfying flavor that adds a touch of elegance to any meal. Now let's talk about the different types of pasta that can be made using this process. The most common type of pasta made at this factory is spaghetti. Spaghetti is made from long strands of dough that are cut into even pieces. It's a versatile pasta shape that can be used in a wide variety of dishes. Another popular type of pasta made at the factory is tagliatelle. Tagliatelle is made from long ribbons of dough that are cut into specific lengths. It's often served with rich, creamy sauces. The factory also produces other types of pasta, such as penne, rigatoni, and fusilli. Each type of pasta requires a different cutter, but the basic process of rolling, cutting, and drying remains the same. In conclusion, the process of making pasta is a labor-intensive but rewarding one. From the careful sifting of the flour to the precise rolling and cutting of the dough, each step is important in creating high-quality pasta. Whether you prefer fresh or dried pasta, the end result is always worth it. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of your favorite pasta, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and skill that went into making it. And don't forget to try pasta granules as a delicious and versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. It's a simple way to add a touch of elegance to any meal. This has been a video about how pasta is made. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy pastemaking.